Welcome back to Teach, Rise, Motivate. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to dive into. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to expand your knowledge, we're here to demystify AI automation tools and get you started on this exciting journey. But before we jump right in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our AI-related content. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Now, let's talk about why you should be excited about AI automation tools. These tools have the power to transform the way we work, live, and interact with technology. Imagine accomplishing tasks faster, more efficiently, and even automating repetitive jobs. It's like having your own virtual assistant. And remember, I'm here to answer your questions. If you have any doubts or want to share your thoughts, just drop them in the comments below. Let's make this a dynamic learning experience together. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's understand the basics of AI automation tools. AI automation tools are software applications or platforms that leverage artificial intelligence, AI, to perform tasks and processes automatically. These tools are designed to streamline repetitive or time-consuming tasks, reducing the need for manual intervention. They operate based on predefined rules, triggers, or algorithms, allowing users to create customized workflows that can save time, increase efficiency, and minimize errors. AI automation tools are accessible to both beginners and advanced users, making them a valuable resource for a wide range of personal, business, and industrial applications. Now, let's get to the good stuff. I'm going to introduce you to a list of beginner-friendly AI automation tools that you can explore. Remember, each of these tools has its unique strengths, so consider your specific needs when choosing one. 1. Zapier. Zapier is a versatile and user-friendly automation tool that allows you to connect and automate tasks between thousands of different apps and services. It operates on a trigger action mechanism, enabling you to create automated workflows without any coding skills. 2. Integromat. Integromat is a powerful automation platform similar to Zapier but offers more advanced capabilities. It allows you to connect various web apps and services using customizable scenarios. With Integromat, you can create complex automations that involve multiple steps and conditions. 3. Microsoft Power Automate, formerly Microsoft Flow. Microsoft Power Automate is designed for those in the Microsoft ecosystem. It enables users to automate processes within Microsoft applications like Office 365, SharePoint, and Dynamics 365. You can create workflows to streamline tasks and data management across these tools. 4. UiPath. UiPath is a leading robotic process automation (RPA) platform that specializes in automating repetitive, rule-based tasks. It's particularly well-suited for businesses and enterprises looking to optimize operations and increase efficiency by deploying software robots, bots, to perform tasks. IFTTT. If this then that. 5. IFTTT is a simple yet effective automation tool that allows users to create applets based on the if this, then that logic. It connects various apps, devices, and services, enabling them to interact with each other seamlessly. IFTTT is great for home automation, IoT device integration, and basic task automation. These AI automation tools offer a range of capabilities to suit different needs, from basic task automation to complex workflows. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific requirements and familiarity with automation concepts. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this beginner's guide to AI automation tools helpful and inspiring. Remember, the world of AI is vast, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve incredible things. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and share it with anyone else who might find it valuable. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already, because in the next videos I'm going to show you even more. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Now, go out there, explore AI automation tools, and unlock your full potential. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious.